Are you sitting on a Bay Area home that needs a lot of work, worried about the cost, the time, or the stress of fixing it up before selling? Hi, my name is Henry. Today I'm going to share why selling your house as is might be the smartest choice you can make right now in the Bay Area. By the end of this video, you'll know what as is really means, how it works, and why so many local homeowners are choosing this option. Let's start with the Bay Area market. Contractor costs are higher than ever. Finding someone available can take weeks. Interest rates have cooled buyer demand. Even great homes are sitting longer, and buyers have become pickier. The moment an inspection report comes back with issues, many buyers walk away. That leaves you stuck paying for repairs or dropping your price. This is why selling as is becoming so popular. It takes those problems off the table. So what does selling as is really mean? It's simple. You sell the property exactly as it stands today. No repairs, no remodeling, no endless cleaning. Many people think as is means taking a lowball offer. That's not true. It means you skip the stress and expense of fixing the house first. At R&H Distressed Properties, we buy homes in any condition. Old roofs, outdated kitchens, foundation problems, code violations, even hoarder situations. We've seen it all, and none of it stops us from making a fair cash offer. Here are the benefits of selling as is in the Bay Area. First, you save time. Instead of waiting months, you can sell your home in days. Second, you save money. No repair bills, no realtor commissions, no closing costs. Third, you get certainty. No buyers backing out after inspections. Once you accept the offer, the deal closes. Fourth, you get flexibility. Need more time to move? Want to leave furniture behind? We can make that happen. And finally, peace of mind. No showings, no cleaning, no stressful back and forth negotiations. Here's a quick example. We recently helped a homeowner in San Jose. He thought she needed to spend $60,000 in repairs before listing. Instead, she sold as is, spent nothing, and closed in under 2 weeks. Here's why this matters right now. The Bay Area is competitive. Costs are high. Selling as is gives you control over your timeline and your peace of mind. So if you're sitting on a property that needs repairs, or you just don't want the hassle, selling as is might be the best choice. I'm Henry. We buy houses all across the Bay Area. No repairs, no open houses, no fees, no commissions. Call me today at 925-515-5291 or visit rhdistressed.com for a free, no-pressure offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.